Scott's story is one that I think a lot of us admire and are drawn to. It's a true American entrepreneurial success story. He had the concept that he created for 3D printing of FDM in his hands in his garage. He saw an opportunity in the market. He decided to go all in, chase that opportunity, start a company, Stratasys, around that opportunity, and he's built that company into the world's largest 3D printing company.
Stratasys' journey has been remarkable. Thanks for being an intrepid leader, navigator, and launching the Stratasys canoe over 30 years ago.
Thank you for the trust and the support I received from you since I joined Stratasys in the beginning of this year. You built an industry with your own hands and at the same time stayed humble and accessible, and I know that you will keep supporting us also in the future in our long journey. Thank you and good luck in your new life.
He's somebody that can see the next big thing, successful in building Stratasys, now the world's largest 3D printing company, 31 years now in the making.